Jai Shri Ram. This is another Abhang of Tukaram Maharaj, where Tukaram is saying, "O Lord, how can I explain to this world the great favors and blessings that you have conferred, showered on me? You have maintained my account of Punyam in safe custody, and you have showered me with the fruits thereof, and that too unexpectedly. And you have never thought of cancelling my punya for all the bad karma that I have committed in the past. So wonderful of you, O Lord, so generous of you. You have given me this kaivalyam, this anandam, this bliss without my asking. So generous of you. What were my good karmas, I don't know. And nobody has ever told me about the good things that I have done. And I do not know how I can repay this debt, this great favor from you, O Lord. काय तुझे उपकार पांडुरंगा, सांगो मिया, सांगो मिया जगा माती, जगा माझी आता. काय तुझे उपकार पांडुरंगा, सांगो मिया जगा माझी आता. जतन हे माझे करुणी संचित, दिले अवचित आणुनिया. घडल्या दोषाचे ना घलीच भरी, आली यास थोरी कृपा देवा, आली यास थोरी कृपा देवा. नवहते ठाऊके आई किले नाही, नवहते ठाऊके आई किले नाही. ना मागता पाही दान दिल्या, ना मागता पाही दान दिले. तुका माणे याच्या उपकारासाठी, तुका माणे याच्या उपकारासाठी, नाही माझे गाठी काही एका. So, O Lord Panduranga, how can I narrate to this whole world the blessings, the favors which you have conferred on me? काय तुझे उपकार पांडुरंगा, सांगो मिया जगा माझी आता.